The LG V20 is here, and today I'm doing a video of the Samsung Galaxy A12 for Boost Mobile. So the Galaxy A12 is not here at Boost Mobile. It's available now for $99.99. It's currently on sale $80 off. The full retail price of the A12 is $179.99. So this is a budget smartphone. So keep that in mind. This is a very nice and everything. It is a pretty decent price for what it is, a budget phone. So let's go ahead and check out the Galaxy A12. So there it is, guys, A12. This one is available on several different carriers now. I could get the out of here with that. So this one is available now on this one now. Quick wireless and also AT&T postpaid service. So yeah, so this is an update over the Galaxy A11 from last year. So yeah, so there's the phone right there in front. You guys have a teardrop notch for your front facing camera there. Power and then keys will be on the side of the phone there. On the back of the Galaxy A12 is your camera setup with full camera, flash right there, and the Samsung logo. It looks like it has like a two-tone color on the back. So that's kind of interesting. It looks like the top of it is like textured, so pretty nice. Yeah, on the left side of the A12, it's right here, and it's kind of hard to tell because this is a black finish here. So yeah. Let's have it again there. I think your micro SD card and SIM card slot is on the left side of the phone. That's the right side there. That's a fingerprint sensor right there as well. Your power button is also a different fingerprint sensor. And then your ring keys right there on the right side. I think your micro SD and SIM card slot is on the left side of the phone. So it says they're connecting with the people and things you love is essential. So it's keeping those memories close at hand. Galaxy A12 gives you our thought after multi-camera system at a fraction of the price, along with the expandable storage to fit all your favorite memories. With a long-lasting battery that charges it quick, a beautifully vivid display, and a processor you can count on. Galaxy A12 is here to help you capture the awesome in every day. So pretty nice there. So the specs and concern are pretty decent for what it is. So the Galaxy A12 has a 6.5-inch display that is a 720p HD plus display, so the pixel density is going to be a bit low. So the display should be pretty decent at 6.5 inches. This is a 720p display, HD plus, 16 megapixel rear-facing camera, 34 hours of talk time, 32 gigabytes of storage, and Android 10 on board along with One UI 2.0, I believe. So yeah, of course, how it works is you order today, wait for the furniture to arrive, pick a appointment, and activate online. Pretty simple there. Power for all the photo apps. So pretty nice. So with guys, A12 long-lasting 5,000 mAh battery, you'll be ready for anything, and then you don't have time to waste. Fast charging can power you up in minutes. So the A12 has a 5,000 mAh battery. So y'all guys should be great bad luck on this phone, considering that this has a 720p display. So y'all guys should be great bad luck on this phone. So yeah, watch it back and say, wow, Galaxy A12 features a crisp Edge Infinity V HD Plus display. That means big, bold colors and crystal clear clarity and definition design to bring out the best in your photos and videos. Multiple cameras, multiple ways to shine. Stunning landscapes, detailed macro shots, and selfies that capture your best side to share with friends and family. With Galaxy A12's multi-lens camera system in your pocket, it's okay to show off. So there's a macro camera on here, which is probably a depth sensor. So so processor you can depend on. Waiting for your phone to catch up can make you want to pull your hair out. We outfitted the Galaxy A12 with a reliable processor that won't hold you back. Android 10, good help when you need it with live caption. smart replay, gesture navigation, and more. Customize your phone and get things done just the way you want it. Snap more, delete less. Life doesn't stop because you are out of storage. Galaxy A12 comes loaded with 30 GB of internal memory, plus the option to store up to 1 TB more when you add a micro SD card. So go ahead, keep on snapping. A design as modern as you are, the Galaxy A12 was designed with beauty and functionality in mind, featuring a crisscross texture that's easy to grip and lines that are so modern. So that's what the back of the phone looks like. So there you go. So the texture design is to help with grip on the phone, so that's pretty nice. Also the Galaxy A12 has Mexico remote capable, of course, so pretty nice there. So it says here, stay connected even when you're traveling to Mexico. Plan airline is required for that to work. It also has voice remote capable, of course, so keep talking even when you're temporarily outside the Boost network. Flight plans include 50 minutes per month of domestic voice roaming, and that is only used for emergencies. Anyway, also mobile hotspot, of course, says here don't get stuck without an internet connection. Turn your phone into a Wi-Fi hotspot for unlimited access spares per plan. So, yeah. So battery on this phone, 5,000 milliamps, 9 mobile battery, of course. So y'all guys should get very bad life in this phone because it has a 1080p display. So y'all guys should get very bad life in this phone. Anyways, y'all guys will get 3 GB of RAM, 32 GB of memory with support of external memory, up to 1 TB via micro SD. So take advantage of that. Processor is a MediaTek Helio P35 processor, following an optical chip. So not too bad, I guess. I'm surprised it has a MediaTek processor in it. I'm surprised about that. But, it's better than nothing. So Android 10 on board, of course, with One UI 2.0. So you have 4 cameras on the back at 16, 5, 2, and 2 quad rear cameras. You have an 8 megapixel camera. So you have a macro camera, a depth sensor, and a ultra wide lenses on the back. So I think it's a 16 megapixel main camera, 5 megapixel ultra wide, 2 megapixel depth sensor, and a 2 megapixel macro lens on the back end. Plus with flash and 8 megapixel front-facing camera, of course. Display 6.5 inches HD plus Infinity V display, which will have your standard refresh rate at 60 Hz, and nothing special there. So you did get what you paid for here. So the 60 Hz display is here. So that is standard. That's not standard. That's like the 60 Hz is not standard. Well, it's you're basically a regular display. Nothing special about the display, nothing like that. Dimensions on the A12 here: 6.42 inches height, 3.1 inches width, and 0.31 inches depth. The Galaxy A12 is 6.35 ounces. Connectivity options for the Galaxy A12 include Wi-Fi, of course, Bluetooth 5.0, USB Type-C, NFC 3.5, headphone jack, which is nice. Other features include fast charging, so you guys will need to charge up this beefy battery at 5,000 milliamps. So Samsung here are pretty good. I mean, they're decent. This is a budget phone, so the Samsung here are not, they're not terrible by any means. So it's pretty good. So what's included in the box, of course, is a Galaxy A12 smartphone, phone adapter, a Jackson pen, quick start guide, and a data cable from that. So nothing special on the box. If you guys ain't have much Galaxy A12 smartphone, baseball book can help you out with that too. So say want to know everything there is to know about this phone. Learn everything from setting up your email to managing all of your games and applications. So the device support is a great tool to have. So if you guys need help with your device support can help you out with that. So with that being said, the Galaxy A12 is now here at Base Mobile. It's available now at $499.99, currently on sale. It's currently on sale $80 off. So it's nice. So for $100, it's definitely worth the pickup. The full retail price is $179.99, so $180. So not bad either way you guys do it. I think it's a pretty nice looking phone. It's a lot better than the Cricket version. The Cricket has the blue color A12, and I'm not a fan of that. So this one looks better than the Cricket version, even though it's the same thing. But color-wise, this one looks better with the black finish on it. So yeah, there you guys have it, Samsung Galaxy A12. Now here at Beast Mobile. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.